Alright guys, we've got some more solving. Sorry, there's a train outside. More solving, and this is numbers 1 and 2. And this one we need to start by adding 5 to both sides. Right? This adding 5 to both sides will get this e by itself. Okay. Now since it's in exponential form, we can rewrite it into log form. And so when it's log base e, remember we write ln. That's log base e. This 10 goes right here, and it's going to equal this x minus 1. Okay. Add 1 to both sides. All right. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Now don't let yourself be confused and think that it's now natural log of 11. This still needs to remain separate. So we're going to do the natural log of 10 plus 1. Okay? And make sure when you plug this in on your calculator, right, you do the natural log of 10, and it's going to put that parenthesis, and you put the 10. Make sure you close that up before you put the plus 1, and then hit equals. And this ends up being, let me grab my calculator, natural log of 10, close the parenthesis, plus 1, 3.303. Okay, I'll do one more. We'd start this one by adding 4. Okay, add 4 and we get 6 e to the 5x minus 6 equals 54. And we're going to divide by 6, right? Got to get that e by itself. Okay. And you're going to get e to the 5x minus 6 power equals, over here is 9. Now, once again, we're going to rewrite, so this is going to be turned into a logarithm, right, from an exponent. So we start off with natural log, because that's log base e, right? The 9 is what goes over here, and the rest of this goes over here. Now, if I was working this out before I plug this in my calculator, I'd probably go ahead and add my 6 to both sides. So you got natural log 9 plus 6, and I would divide by 5. So what you end up plugging in your calculator is natural log 9 plus 6, all divided by 5. Once again, you have to be careful how you plug this into your calculator. You need to do that natural log. Now, I would put a parenthesis first, and it's going to put 1 automatically. Right? And you're going to do that 9, close that one, do plus 6, close that one, then do the divide by 5. Okay, if you don't do it right, it's not going to give you a correct answer. And let me plug that in real quick here. Let's see, a parenthesis, natural log of 9 plus 6, then divide by 5. And I get 1.639. Alright, thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know.